In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to do Olas, which is a trick which was invented by Swedish legend Ola Löfberg, if I'm saying that right. Looks something like this. Okay, so the heart of this pattern is the 2-ball sort of multiplex throw that you do to start off each side. And what happens is the bottom ball gets caught by your other hand and the top one flies over top and continues on its way. The easiest way to get this comfortable is to start with one ball and your bottom 2 fingers on your right hand and throw up to your left hand so that the top fingers on your left hand catch it. So you're going from pinky and ring fingers to these 3 fingers here. Just up, like that. Do this until it's nice and comfortable and solid and the ball's going where it should be. The only thing that matters is the upwards throw. Now all you have to do is add on a second ball in the second position here, and you throw the bottom one just like before, and the top one should keep going, because it'll just miss. And that's exactly what you want to happen. So what you then have to do is hang on to that bottom ball for as long as you can until the top one is just at the boundary of your reach. And then you'll let go of it and reach out and grab it in a swinging motion, while the ball that you held onto, the bottom one, falls into your right hand again, like that. Okay? And you can practice this on both sides. It's not as good. Like that. Good. Now of course there's a third ball involved, and this ball is going to be the first one you throw in starting the actual pattern. So you throw this ball over, when it's in the air you do your multiplex throw, and you catch it with your now free hand. Now as this hand, which caught the bottom multiplex ball, goes out to catch the first one, you're going to throw after it so that it follows the same path as that ball that kind of escaped your hand. So this is what it should look like. Except this hand, of course, will go out to catch the first ball, like that. And then it has a second ball coming after it. You just swing around and catch it the same way. You can kind of shift the first one you catch to your front fingers so you have a nice catch with your back fingers like this. So again, you throw this one ball by itself, do the multiplex throw, then as you go out to catch that first one, you throw the first ball back after it. Keep not actually getting it. There you go. You throw the first one after it. And this completes the cycle. Now you're back in the same position but reversed. And at this point, you again just throw the single ball over, do the multiplex throw, hopefully successfully, as this way. Throw the single ball, do the multiplex throw, catch both of them, and you're back in the position to start over. And then you can kind of string this all together so you have this nice sideways figure 8 flowing motion going on. And again, the idea is to go out as far as your arm can reach. I'm not doing a very good job because this is my new tiny apartment, but if you have more room, you can really kind of stretch out and it'll look more impressive. And it's kind of a fun pattern. Now what you should also pay attention to is the way that you let go of this bottom multiplex ball. You want to hold on to it for as long as possible in the center position. And then just before you reach out, you're going to give a little bit of pop upwards. So it stays in the same position, but it appears to kind of float. And that'll give you kind of a cool aesthetic. There you go. See how it kind of pops a little bit? So there's also a sort of a bridge version of this pattern where you don't do that. And as soon as you throw this multiplex, you take the bottom ball you caught and swing out with it to catch the one that missed your hand. And that's like this, just immediately catching the next one. And you can make this into a full pattern by just throwing the one ball back and forth over top of it, like this. This pattern is not as nice, but is also described by Swedish legend Ola Löfberg. So that's Ola's. Hope you learned the pattern and enjoy.